Adrenaline spikes as engines roar. Witness heart-stopping PIT maneuvers, massive crashes, and intense canine takedowns. This is raw, unfiltered police action at its absolute peak. Buckle up for the chaos. Cobb County, Georgia, May 24th, 2023. Police spot a stolen pickup truck driven by an armed robbery suspect on Interstate 75. Instead of surrendering, he floors it, igniting a dangerous pursuit. Trying to escape in a heavy pickup on a crowded interstate is hardly the plan of a genius. Did he ever calculate the price of that reckless choice?
Heavy traffic on the right shoulder, 80 miles an hour. Get off of Windy Hill.
Very preferred place to be at if it's legal.
Sensing the perfect moment, the officer decisively executes a precise pit maneuver, disabling the fleeing vehicle and ending the pursuit.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, put that thing down! Put it down! Put it down! Hey, we need less lethal.
Put the knife down for me, pal. I need you to put the knife down.
Here, this is it. All right, less lethal's coming up.
Hands down!
Come on!
Put your hands out to your side and do not move.
Hey,
Put your hands out to the side.
Do not move! Do not move! Do not move! Put your hands back, man.
Forcing Dovion Lancelot Lewis, 21, to face multiple serious felony charges, including armed robbery and carjacking, with the potential for decades behind bars.
Those Mercedes.
On May 9th, 2025, in Pope County, an officer spots a silver Honda Accord traveling 50 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone. What should have been a routine speeding stop quickly escalates when the driver decides to level up by running a red light and turning city streets into a personal racetrack. When the sirens come on, he floors it instead of stopping, igniting a high-speed pursuit through multiple roadways, weaving dangerously and putting countless motorists at risk.
Frank Mary 41 Yo.
At speeds nearing 200 kilometers per hour on the highway, he darts between lanes like he's in a video game. But real life has no restart button for the innocent people around him.
He's crashed out.
Progress 236.
1022. He's going east on 64 now.
He's crashed out, police shout. An off-ramp taken at over 160 kilometers per hour sends the car airborne for a split second. Unfortunately, the runway is far too short.
Marshall, we passed. We're past smoke.
Got a lot of smoke coming from this vehicle. I'm not sure if the truck can go.
A perfectly executed pit maneuver ends the game. Nathan Jose Alaman now faces felony fleeing Class D charges with potential penalties of up to 6 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. On the morning of July 25th, 2023 in Dallas, Texas, undercover officers spotted Ryan Taylor, 41, driving a stolen U-Haul truck. Instead of stopping, Taylor deliberately threw it into reverse and rammed a police vehicle, deploying the airbags. This sparked a terrifying 13-minute pursuit through Dallas streets and highways. Can a bulky box truck really outrun the police? Stay tuned.
Westbound Finesse.
Going westbound on Finesse towards Marsh Lake.
The rear tire screams in agony, but the driver keeps his foot down without mercy. The laws of physics are about to teach him a lesson he won't forget.
Just wrecked out. Hit one vehicle. Let's get somebody to check him out.
Oh my God! The inevitable ending arrives. He slams into a total of 13 vehicles before turning himself into a pile of twisted metal. Running from police is never a good idea.
6700 Lemon is the last address I got.
Tell the fucking ground police! Police, stop! Shots fired! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Lay on your fucking stomach! Lay on your fucking stomach! Put move! Do not fucking move!
Got hands? Show me your hands! All ready? All ready?
Don't rush it.
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun? Behind him.
All right, crawl forward towards us. Crawl towards us. Keep coming. You ready? Okay. Keep coming. All right, are we ready? You ready? Keep coming.
I got
Keep
point.
coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, here we go. Ready?
I got point.
Keep your hands where we can see them. Point the palms up.
Do not
Palms
fucking
up.
move.
Palms up. Okay.
Bravo 534, we need some officers out here to cover the perimeter. And all of the doors.
Ryan Taylor, 41, didn't just flee, he also opened fire on police. Now he faces a long list of charges: aggravated assault on a public servant, unauthorized use of a vehicle, and evading arrest. Under Texas law, aggravated assault on a public servant is a first-degree felony and can carry a life sentence. Do you think that punishment fits the crime? On the night of July 8, 2023, in North Little Rock, Arkansas, police receive a report of a recently stolen white Dodge Challenger. Instead of pulling over, the driver decides to turn Interstate 30 into his personal racetrack, hitting nearly 130 miles per hour while recklessly weaving through traffic. Arkansas State Police, ASP, quickly joined the pursuit. Can this muscle car really outrun police radio calls?
10-4. To 16, I'm about to scout their trades.
At speeds approaching 200 kilometers per hour, every steering input risks disaster. The driver is gambling with his own life and the lives of innocent motorists around him.
Careful. 11, 18, and 16, y'all end it when you can. 10-4. Just past the 137 westbound, number 2 lanes, enter 135.
Nowhere left to run. Officers execute a flawless TVY maneuver, sending the car spinning into a barrier. But the suspect still refuses to quit, bailing out and attempting to flee on foot. A terrible choice.
Copy, TVI.
For the woods.
You just wrecked it.
No, he just stole it from the gas station. That's why I got behind him.
Marquette Muhammad is taken into custody. He now faces felony fleeing and theft of property charges, carrying the potential for more than 20 years in prison under Arkansas law. Do you think a sentence like that is enough to deter behavior that puts an entire community at risk? Drop your thoughts below.